Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel World Physiotherapy Organization. Myself Dr. Rizwan, physiotherapist. Today I am telling about you how to calm a crying baby by massage. Press these points on your baby's body to make them stop crying. Many of these reflex points happen to rest in the feet, and knowing which zones each area of the foot represent can help you calm your crying baby in no time. Rubbing your baby's feet in any number of these areas can produce a profound healing effect on them and yourself too. Think about how much stress courses through your body when you are worrying over your newborn. This is even worse if you are first time mommy or daddy. Do yourself a favor and learn these 8 massages point on your baby's feet to take away all of their aches and pains and save yourself from health damaging stress and anxiety. Now I am describing one step by step each head and to touch edges. If the child has a headache or toothache, gently massage these areas. To help ease your baby's head and teeth pain, gently rub all their toys, starting with the big toy. There are several techniques for how you rub, but thumb walking is one of the most effective and popular. Relieves sinus pressure and pain. Massage to get rid of nasal stiffness and runny nose. Supporting your baby's foot with one hand, wrap your other hand around their foot and place your thumb directly beneath the pads of their big toe and gently apply pressure in a small circular motion. After a couple of moments, move on the next toe in the same area. Keep doing this until you have massaged all the toes in this way, and you will see a marked improvement in their relaxation. Relieve chest congestion and breathing troubles. Massage if the child is coughing. This is reflex point in the foot that corresponds to their chest, and gently rubbing or thumbing the pads of their feet can help relax their chest muscles as well as help them get rid of build up in their chest. Solar plexus. Massage if the child has a stomach ache. Upper abdomen. Massage to improve the functioning of the intestine and eliminate spasm. Lower abdomen. Massage in the case of bloating. This zone rests just beneath the upper abdomen but above the heel. Just apply the same pressure with the same slow circular motions using the thumbs or fingers to bring them overall relief to the organs held in their lower abdomen. Relieve hip and pelvic pain. Eliminate much of the pain. When our little begin to grow, it is a rapid process and can take a heavy toll of the comfortability of your baby. Rubbing their feet in the pelvic zone will help to eliminate much of the pain that accompanies a surge in growth and can help calm them when they are feeling fuzzy over this. Just do a gentle thumb walk inward from the lower outside of the foot to help with hip pain. Mother Earth area. Massage to help a baby relax before going to bed. Known as Mother Earth area, it is the bottommost spot of the heel and around the side. When you carefully can each of your baby's heel in your hand and apply constant gentle pressure around this area. It gives them a feeling of safety and comfort and immediately works to start calming them into a restful relaxation. This move is known as Mother Earth Hold as it gives them a sense of grounding and should be the first move in any baby foot massaging routine as well as the last. These are just a few ways to massage your baby's feet and reap some of the wonderful benefits of reflexology, both of them and yourself. This is just a tip of the iceberg when it comes what you can do. Proactively take away your child's pain and discomfort. Thanks for watching.